This is Aldous from MURA Home Depot, and today I'll show you our Cooled diesel engine silent generator. So this is our Cooled diesel engine silent generator with maximum of 5.5 kilowatts. Key-start na po siya with oil alert lamp kapag wala na po siyang oil. May voltmeter na din and electric start with frequency of 60 Hz and 220 voltage. Cooled diesel silent generator. 1 cylinder and 4 stroke. Nasa gilid na rin po yung kanyang muffler. With maximum fuel capacity of 14.5 liters. You can visit our Facebook page. Just search MURA Home Depot. And visit also our website. Just type www.murahomedepot.com.